If you stay with me for the next couple of minutes, I'll be sharing with you how to get 1 GB of data with only 1 Cedi 40 pesos. My name is Alena. You can call me the technology consultant. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back.
This trick I'm about to share with you today is a mashup trick. First of all, I would like to let you know that this trick works for only WhatsApp. The data that you get, you can use it for only WhatsApp. You can't use it to go to other social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. So first of all, let's open our dialer and dial the short code *567*1*1*1*1 *2#. Let's dial. When you dial it, this is the way it will come. When it comes this way, you check the list amount and buy it. You buy 0.07. From this, you can choose from your own wish. It will not affect the trick, so I'll prefer to use 1. Then you choose where you want to buy from, airtime or Momo. Have you seen? I already purchased that. When you purchase it and you check, after purchasing this, they'll give you 50 megabytes of WhatsApp data for free. Let me check and you see. *567*1*6#. Have you seen my WhatsApp data here? 50 megabytes. Yes, because I bought the 0.07, they've given me 50 megabytes of WhatsApp data. This means that when you buy again, they will give you another 50 megabytes, making 100. So when you buy it for 10 times, that will be 1 gig, and it will cost you only 1 Cedi 40 pesos. And you can even buy more depending on your wish, or you can buy less. Let me even try and buy another one so that you see that they will increase the 50 to 100. *1*1*1*2#. I'm buying 0.07. So I would like to choose option 1 again. I'm buying from airtime. Okay, now let's check it and see. Have you seen the WhatsApp data is now 100 MB? You can use this data for only WhatsApp. You can't use it to go to any other platform. I'll leave links in the description box below to the introductory video to this channel, and also how to get free unlimited internet access using DroidVPN. If you haven't watched them, kindly check them out.
If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any update from me. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.